YouTube. Thought I'd do a little point of view drive at nighttime. Y'all been asking for a nighttime point of view drive in my 2018 Mustang GT. So yeah, I'm gonna give it to y'all right now. I'll try not to talk too much so y'all can just hear the exhaust on this thing, the music it produces. Put the radiators down a little bit more. Alright, hopefully y'all can see this good. Got a little bit of traffic out here tonight. Purple tune is crazy. Let's go some downshifts. Why my gas goes so fast, probably driving like this. It's crazy. These people probably look at me. I'll put the windows up. See, got a big old phone on my head. She's staring at me. That's funny. But y'all, if y'all new to the channel, I've been posting videos about this Mustang. And make sure you subscribe, leave a like on it for more videos. I'm hearing like popping us. I don't know what I'm hearing. Sounds like gunshots. Listen. All right, stop. That's weird. Got a little Ford Raptor up there. I'm gonna lower the seat a little bit. There we go. It's getting a little bit colder out. Tires getting a little colder. Definitely gotta warm them up before you do anything crazy on the road. I'd be doing anything too crazy. Corn maze over there. That would have been awkward if it was. Would have been real awkward. This car is so loud sometimes that it hurts my ears. Like, this exhaust on this thing is crazy. I've never had a car as loud as this. I mean, I'm only 19, but still. This car is ridiculously loud. Neck breaker. But you know, we still out here. That purple. I gotta be careful, there's cops up here. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this short little video. Just thought I'd throw in the camera real quick, make a little video for y'all. And yeah, if you want to see more nighttime point of views, let me know in the comments. If you liked what you watched, you want to know more about this, go check out other videos. I'll put my last video on the card up top. It's another point of view drive during the day. And yeah, just please subscribe and go on this channel. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.